Rewrite equations and evaluate expressions. Sometimes these questions can be very tricky. And let's understand how to solve these types of questions. It's given to us that p minus q divided by p plus q equals to 3 over 5, and we need to evaluate the value of p divided by q. How to find that? Well, let's rewrite this equation and then try to figure out the answer. So we have p minus q divided by p plus q equals to 3 over 5. Now think like this. We need to evaluate p divided by q. That means p divided by q. So what we can do here is that we can divide both numerator and denominator by q. If we do that, what do we get? That is what we will see now. We get p over q minus 1 divided by p over q plus 1 equals to 3 over 5. Correct? That's what we get. And since we need to find p over q, that is the only variable left for us. So we can always calculate this. Correct? So let's move on and solve this equation. So we'll cross multiply. So now we cross multiply. So it becomes 5 times p over q minus 1 equals to 3 times p over q plus 1. So we can write this as 5 times p over q minus 5 equals to 3 times p over q plus 3. Let's bring p over q on the left side, and we have 5 times p over q minus 3 times p over q equals to 3 plus 5. 5 minus 3 is 2, so we have 2 times p over q equals to 8, or p over q equals to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And so we get our answer, that p over q is indeed 4, right? So we can write this answer as 4, right? So that is the way we can solve it. So if you want to find p over q, you can divide by q. If the question was find q over p, right? So let me give that question for you to practice. Find what is q over p, right? As you know, it'd be 1 over 4, but I'd like you to follow the steps and check. Do you really get 1 over 4? Check it out, okay? That'll be a good practice. Thank you and all the best.